Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Good? Are you happy? Are you healthy? Okay, you need to be healthy and happy. Okay, for studying we need it. Okay, so you know me now. I'm Sunita Verma, your GK teacher. Okay, so today we will be completing our next pages, page number 19 and page number 20. Okay, so today is the day 4 of your GK class. This is the 4th class of your GK, and we will be doing the chapter. So we will be doing the chapter 4 dances of India. Very first we will be doing. Okay. बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग, कुछ भी काम करने से पहले हम उस काम को करने का एक उद्देश्य होता है. वी हैव अ ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ डूइंग दैट थिंग. सो टुडेज चैप्टर और टुडेज क्लास वी विल डू फॉर सम पर्पस. ओके, so today's class purpose or the objective or the learning objective is to know about the folk dances of India and favorite cartoons. Okay, so today आज हम जो फोक डांसेस होते हैं ना हमारे घरों में, उनके बारे में हम जानेंगे. बहुत सारे स्टेट्स हैं ना हमारी कंट्री में, तो इस स्टेट्स के जो डिफरेंट डांसेस हैं उन डांसेस के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है बेटा. Today we will be reading about the different folk dances of India. Okay, so here we are going to do the 6. So children, in today's class we will be learning about the 6 folk dances of India. Okay, so I have written over here, this is Chow dance. Okay, CHHAU, Chow dance. Okay, then in the second one I have written Bihu, BIHU. Okay, and in third one I have written Bhangra. Okay, and the fourth one is Ghumar. So Ghumar, DHOOMER, Ghumar, and then fifth one is Dandiya. So DANDIYA, Dandiya. Okay, now sixth one is Yakshagana. Okay, YAKSHAGANA. So these 6 folk dance are of different state. Okay, Chow is in Bengal, Bihu is in Assam, Bhangra in Punjab, Ghumar in Rajasthan, and then Dandiya is in Rajasthan. Dandiya is in Gujarat. Ghumar is in Rajasthan, and Dandiya we can see in Gujarat. Okay, and then Yakshagana we can see in the southern state, that is the Kerala. Okay, so on your page number 19, in your box, here the box is given and you have to see spellings from here and fill this. You have to identify it. Okay, I will tell you that which one is what. Okay, in the now I am going to tell which one is what, and already answer I have written over here. The number 1 you will be writing here Chow dance, here you will be writing Bihu, here Bhangra, in number 3 Bhangra, 4 you will be writing Ghumar, 5 you will be writing the Dandiya, and then here you will be writing Yakshagana. Okay, so now let us read and do it. So students, this is page number 19 of your GK book. Okay, अब हम इसको करेंगे. Now we are going to do this. So we will be doing folk dances of India. Okay, identify different folk dances of India with the help of pictures given below. So here we can see that Durga Puja is going on and people are dancing, like Rakshasas are dancing. Okay, and Durga Ma is there. So this is very famous dance of Bengal, and this one you will be writing here the Chow dance. Okay, here we will be writing write with me, CHHAU, Chow dance in number 1. Okay, number 2, you can see some people, village people are dancing, because this is a folk dance. It is from village only. This one is Bihu. It's from Assam. Okay, so we come down in the help box. Here we can see BIHU, Bihu. So write with me here, or in number 2, BIHU. Okay, Bihu. Now third picture we will see. Oh, Sardarji's people, Punjabi people are dancing over here. Okay, so this is Bhangra. Okay, जब मेल करते हैं ना, जब बॉयज करते हैं डांस तो उसको हम भंगड़ा बोलते हैं, और जब गर्ल्स करती हैं तो उनको हम गिद्दा बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे लड़के डांस कर रहे हैं ना. सो दिस वन इज भंगड़ा. ओके, सो हियर द स्पेस इज गिवन and you'll find the spelling of bhangra. Oh, bhangra, yes, here the bhangra is there. B. Okay, so we will write here in this box. You start writing BHANGRA, bhangra. Okay, now we will come to the number 4. This one, oh, the long skirt and round and round. Okay, so ghumar. This one is ghumar of Rajasthan. We'll find the spelling of ghumar. Okay, here the first one. Okay, so write here, start writing here. GHOOMAR. Okay, ghumar. ठीक है, अब आप यहाँ पे number 5 पे आ जाओ. For dandiya, you can see the dandiya sticks. So this one is dandiya. This is from Gujarat. Okay, so dandiya, will find the spelling of dandiya. Here the dandiya is written. Okay, start writing dandiya in this. Okay, in this one. Okay, DANDIYA, dandiya. Okay, now the 6th one, last one. See here, come and see. This one is okay, this is looking like something southern one. So this one is Yakshagana. Okay, find the spelling of Yakshagana. Here it is. Okay, so start writing. Y in this box. You write YAKSHAGANA. Okay, like this you complete it and then show it to me. Okay, with so children, on next page number 20, on make your favorite topic, that is cartoons है ना यहाँ पे. So cartoons हम पढ़ेंगे यहाँ पे. तो आज हम 6 कार्टून्स के बारे में जानेंगे. हमारा नेक्स्ट जो है वो है फेवरेट कार्टून्स, एंड उसमें we will be reading about Mickey Mouse, Shrek, Doraemon, Tweety, Chhota Bheem, and Tom and Jerry. Okay, so we will be reading about these. हम इनको आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे एंड इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. ओके, मुझे पता है आप सबको बहुत ही अच्छे से पता है ये सारे कार्टून्स. आप कार्टून नेटवर्क देखते हो एंड यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई ऑल्सो. ओके, सो आई होप यू ऑल नो दैट दिस फर्स्ट वन इज Mickey Mouse. This one is Mickey Mouse. This one is Shrek, and this one is Doraemon. Then this one is Tweety. Then this one is Chhota Bheem, and then we have Tom and Jerry. Okay, so these all we will be now reading and doing. You do it along with me. मेरे साथ ही आप लिख लेना. अब मैं आपको लिख करके दिखाती हूँ और आप वो करोगे. ठीक है बेटा? ओके ओके. So now see here on page number 20, the right side of the left side of the book down, page number is written. Okay, so your left is the books left also, and your right is the books right only. Okay, so come up here, lovely tunes. It's about cartoons. Okay, so first we will read. Identify your favorite cartoon characters and color the number of stars you would like to give them. Okay, so here I have the pictures. Okay, you know more than me cartoons. So this one is Mickey Mouse, and what you have to do, you have to write the name, the box given, एंड यू हैव टू गिव द स्टार्स. कितना आप पसंद करते हो, ठीक है, जितना आप पसंद करते हो. अगर मिकी माउस को बहुत पसंद करते हो, कम करते हो, कितना करते हो. आपको लगता है कि इसको आप 3 स्टार दोगे तो 3 स्टार्स को कलर करो. अगर आपको लगता है 4 स्टार्स चाहिए तो 4 स्टार्स को कलर करो. 5 है तो 5 को करो, ठीक है. तो लाइक दिस ओनली यू विल बी गिविंग द स्टार्स टू मिकी माउस, द शार्क, डोरेमोन, Gadget Boy, the Tweety bird, and Chota Beam. Okay, and then we have Tom and Jerry. तो आपको इन सबको स्टार्स देने हैं, ठीक है. मैम आपको स्टार्स देती है ना जब आप पढ़ते हो तो अच्छा काम करते हो ना, तो जब आप पसंद की काम करते हो तो मैम ढेर सारे स्टार्स देती हैं. तो वैसे ही कार्टून्स आपको, जो कार्टून्स आपको जितने अच्छे लगते हैं, दैट मेनी स्टार्स यू आर गोइंग टू गिव देम. ओके, गिव द स्टार्स how favorite they are. So very first one is Mickey Mouse. We'll write the spelling of Mickey Mouse. Okay, start writing with me. M-I-C-K-E-Y, M-O-U-S-E, Mickey Mouse, and color the star. Come to shark. Okay, so very easy spelling, so we will write here. Okay, start writing. S-H-R-E-K, shark. Then come to Doraemon. Okay, so the spelling of Doraemon is D-O-R-A-E-M-O-N. Okay, so write here and give the stars. कितने stars आप डोरेमोन को देना चाहते हो उतने stars को you will color. Okay, so now we have here Tweety. Okay, she is my favorite character. I'll be giving 5 stars to her, but you have to give, if you like, you give 3, 4 or 5 or how many you want. Okay, so Tweety की spelling देखते हैं. Okay, here Tweety is written, so start writing here in this one. T-W-E-E-T-Y, Tweety. Okay, now Chota Bheem, favorite character of today's children. Okay, so we will be writing here Chota Bheem and see the spelling from here. Okay, start writing. Okay, C-H-H-O-T-A, Chota, B-H-E-E-M, Bheem, Chota Bheem. Okay, and give the stars, how many stars you want to give him. Okay, then Tom and Jerry, favorite of me and you also. Okay, so here we will write Tom and Jerry. Let us find out the spelling. Okay, here the Tom and Jerry, the spelling is there, so we'll write here T-O-M, Tom, A-N-D, and 2 are there ना, both का नाम लिखना होगा. J-E-R-R-Y. एक बार और बोलो. Shall I tell once again? T-O-M, Tom, A-N-D, and J-E-R-R-Y, Jerry. Okay, Tom and Jerry. So write their name and give the stars to them. It's now your time to give stars to your favorite cartoons. Okay. So children, in this class we have learned about the favorite dances of India, folk dances of India. Okay, folk dances जो होती हैं हर एक स्टेट की होती हैं और वो जनरली नॉर्मल एवरीवन डज. ओके, सब लोग करते हैं, ठीक है. तो फोक डांसेस हो गया और उसमें हमने 6 टाइप ऑफ डांसेस देखे. एक चाउ डांस देखा, देन बिहू देखा. बिहू जो है आसाम का है और उसमें पीपल डांस, इट्स अ हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल, उसमें ये वाला डांस करते हैं, ठीक है. तो उसके बाद फिर हमने भांगड़ा देखा, फिर हमने घूमर देखा, फिर हमने डांडिया देखा, एंड देन वी हैव कम टू द यक्षगाना. ओके, these all folk dances we have learned, and on the next page, on page number 19. on page number 20. Sorry, on page number 20 we have learned about the favorite cartoons. It's very easy. I don't need to explain, and I know that you all know about the cartoons. You can recognize without saying. Only the thing you have to see the spelling and learn the spelling of their name. Okay. So with this I am completing your class. Okay. And we'll meet again once again on the next Tuesday. Okay. And we will do this and send the pictures, join the Google classes and send your homework over there only. Okay. So be happy, be healthy, stay home, listen to your mama and papa. Okay. And have a very nice day. Okay. Goodbye.